Many relationship and marriage counselors often suggest that learning to confide in your partner and sharing everyday small happenings with each other could improve intimacy. However, do you know that there are some secrets and lies that could destroy a relationship? Today's topic is secrets and lies that kill relationships. Number one, infidelity. We all know that lies can be damaging to any relationship or marriage, no matter how strong it may seem. One of the most destructive secrets and lies is infidelity. It can create a breach of trust that is difficult to repair. It can cause emotional pain, feeling of betrayal, and damage to the intimacy and connection that is essential to a healthy relationship. Number two, withholding information. Your partner lies about or is not being honest about important information such as past relationships, job loss, work-related issues, or any important information creates a sense of distrust or feelings of insecurity in the relationship or marriage. Money problems are a common source of problem between partners. However, that shouldn't be a yardstick of not disclosing important financial information from your partner. Doing so could have a damaging effect on your relationship or marriage. Any lie can be damaging to a relationship. If you must know, keeping secrets from your partner is no different from lying to them. Secrets are used to deceive or manipulate a partner can be very damaging in a relationship. It doesn't matter if your intentions are good, but the method is just wrong. And it could destroy your relationship in ways that you might have never imagined. You might even have to tell more lies to cover up your past lies. Before you know it, your lies are going to start mounting up. So why not save yourself the headache and stress by telling your partner the truth, having an open and honest communication so as to build a strong relationship or marriage. The truth is that your partner has every right to know everything that surrounds your life and relationship. Therefore, save yourself the stress of keeping secrets and lies from your partner, because once your partner finds out, it might be too late. And you know what that means? The trust that was formed between the two of you are going to be broken. And once it is broken, it can never be the same again. So if you enjoy watching my videos, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you do not miss any of my weekly updates. So see you guys again next week Friday. Bye!